If you want to install Android apps manually on your PC, LDPlayer makes it very easy to use APK files. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install APK files on LDPlayer step by step in 2026. First, make sure you have LDPlayer installed and running on your Windows computer. Once it opens, you'll see the Android home screen inside the emulator. Next, download the APK file you want to install from a trusted source. Always make sure the file is safe to avoid security issues. Now locate the APK file on your computer. It is usually in your Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. After that, you can install it in two simple ways. The first method is to drag and drop the APK file directly into the LDPlayer window. The installation will start automatically. The second method is to use the built-in APK installer. Click the *install app * button on the LDPlayer sidebar, then select your APK file from your computer. Wait for the installation process to complete. This usually takes a few seconds depending on the size of the app. Once installed, the app icon will appear on the LDPlayer home screen. You can now click it to open and start using the app. If the app doesn't appear, restart LDPlayer or refresh the home screen to load newly installed apps. You can also manage installed APKs from the system settings inside LDPlayer if you need to uninstall or update them later. Finally, make sure your emulator is updated to avoid compatibility issues with newer APK files. And that's how to install APK files on LDPlayer. Yeah, once you learn this, you can easily run almost any Android app or game on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.